Hey, ladies and gentlemen, please stay tuned to this entire video. I think you're really going to enjoy it. So don't just close it out. Finish till the end. I know you can do it. It'll be worth it. Ladies and gentlemen, I've got great news about a little gadget that I reviewed a couple years ago that was super effective. And it's called the DrainFunnel. You can go ahead and look in the description. I will have a link to this review. It's a pretty funny review. If I do say so myself, I titled the review DrainFunnel Review. And I thought it would get some traction there, but I'm just under 1,000 views over all this time. And it's because they didn't quite jump off like I thought they would. They had a Kickstarter. The Kickstarter did not reach their goal. I think they had a goal of 16,000 and they just didn't quite get there. So I thought it was all over for the DrainFunnel. I received like 5 of them. I gave one to an ex. I kept a couple, gave one to my dad, and they work so well. If you don't know about these, and again, the link to my review is in the description if you want to watch me shave my pubic hair. Basically what it does, in your drain in your shower or your tub, you have a crossbar in it. The crossbar is put there to prevent you from losing anything down the drain, your ring, condom, whatever. So that also catches tons of hair. If you've ever lived with a woman, your hair's falling out, you have long hair, it gets so gross in there, and when you have to pick out the hair, it's so nasty. Well, what this does is it's a drain funnel. It funnels your hair into 1/4 opening of that cross, if you can picture that. So it shoots everything, hair and everything, right down a wide open hole instead of everything getting caught on that crossbar. So they sent me an email not long ago announcing, this is their website. This was their Kickstarter. See, awesome little product. And you can see here, their goal was 18,500 and the little progress bar, they did not get there. Actually, by a long shot. So I'm super excited that I got the email from them letting me know that they're going to be going forward. They have them in production. Super excited. I hope one day maybe they have an affiliate program where I can make a few dollars promoting it. And I believe in it. And this is kind of my testimonial. I wanted to show you my reply to DrainFunnel. See, they had sent me this email. We're back and have some exciting news. They talked about the Kickstarter campaign not getting the full amount back in 2018. I believe it's his wife, this guy and his wife, Holly, are pushing forward, and that's great, and I highly recommend you get one of these. I will make another announcement, another video on here when the DrainFunnel is 100% ready to go, where you can order it and you can immediately have it shipped out. But check out my message to Justin over at DrainFunnel, or maybe Holly is receiving the emails. I just wanted to read it to you. This is like my testimonial for DrainFunnel and how you really should get it. If I ever have another woman in my life again, I don't know when that'll be. Ryan's on a serious dry spell. I'm definitely going to enjoy having that instead of the lady friend slapping her wad of hair on the shower wall for me. It could just slide right on down the drain. So here's my testimonial based on my reply to DrainFunnel. So here we go. I'm catching up on emails and was happy to see that you guys are still moving forward. I made that video for you on YouTube over 2 years ago. I can testify to the effectiveness of the DrainFunnel. I'd mailed one to my ex/friend in California who has maybe the thickest head of long hair I've ever had the pleasure of being smothered by during a round of steamy intercourse. Back when we were together, she'd come to my house and clog up my drains. She'd also slap a web of head hair to my shower wall. Why do women do this, and why did they think it's okay? I knew she'd be an excellent test subject for your DrainFunnel. She and I are no longer on speaking terms, so I have no idea if it helped her eliminate shower/tub clogs or not. As for me, I've taken advantage of social distancing and closure of necessary businesses like barbershops to grow my hair longer than I ever had before. My hair is at least 4 penis lengths long, or 8 inches, depending on which system of measurements you're using. The performance of your DrainFunnel has been outstanding and unmatched. I hate my little typos. I will continue to monitor the growth of your product and business. I wish you success and prosperity. And this actually didn't work in me reading. I CC'd myself. But anyway, P.S. This is my first sent email for my new email client, Mailbird. I don't know if other email clients allow you to change the font or if I just never noticed it, but I decided to switch the font to Comic Sans to give this email a professional feel. I hope it shows up okay on your end. So that's basically my testimonial for the DrainFunnel. If you want to watch that review, the link will be in the description. It's a pretty entertaining review. Leave a comment if you tried anything like this. What is your secret to hair clogging up your sink, your tub? I'd like to know. Stay tuned. By the time 09 rolled around, I was looking up consent ages in my local town. 16 would be sweet, and you know I couldn't wait 6 more years and Raymond would have a date. I asked Dad for his blessing and he hesitated. He was begging me to wait, so we had a debate. Daddy let me penetrate.